you guys wanted that mushroom shirt that I got at Walmart, but you couldn't find it, they just came out with a new mushroom shirt. And it's got butterflies and dragonflies and stars on it. That's like really cute. Second mushroom shirt for $6.98.
Mushrooms.
There's like leaves on it too. These are really cute mesh shirts by No Boundaries for $12.98. It's like a see-through mesh, and it does come with a little tank top in there, but I love this yellow one. They also have this newspaper looking one. New from No Boundaries, kind of like a football shirt with skulls on it, v-neck, ties at the bottom. This one has gray and green, astrology looking. Another new one from No Boundaries for $14.98. It's kind of like an overall dress. Oh, it's actually shorts, but it looks like a dress. So these are short alls. That's actually so cute with like a black long sleeve shirt, combat boots, platform combat boots or Mary Jane's, or even like a tan or a white long sleeve shirt would look good with it as well. Yeah, look what Mila found. Those are really cute. These little black overalls, and they're actually like spandexy cotton, I would say, for $13.98. They've got pockets. Those do not have pockets, but no, but those are so cute. I love that. Another new shirt by No Boundaries. It's like, I guess this is gonna be an in style because I saw somebody else's vlog. They had tons of prints of this same type of shirt. Kind of gives me Stranger Things vibes. Button up, just like short sleeve type of shirt. This is $13.48. This is a green color with arrows. There's also one more. Oh, there's a couple more back here actually. So they also have this style, the brown with the daisies. And oh, there's a mushroom one. There's a mushroom. This looks like the only one left, but that's actually a pretty groovy shirt, if you ask me. Let's get a closer look at the print. Oh my gosh, that's just so darling. I can't, literally can't. Love that one. It's a pretty cute little daisy tee. I like the mustard yellow ringer neck here. Very subtle daisies if you don't like a loud print. Ties at the front. And that's gonna be $9.98. It looks nice and loose and flowy. It's got a pocket as well. That's by No Boundaries. There's a gray tie, same kind of shirt, but it's brown with butterflies. These are really cool jeans. They're flared and they're by the brand No Boundaries for $18.98. They've got this kind of like stretch waistband, but like no belt loops or anything, so they'll lay nice and flat under a shirt. I like the seam in the front, and then they've got a cut-off type of bottom. Some new pajamas. I don't know who this is by. I guess it's just licensed, but that looks really comfy. Some Baby Yoda, and that is for $17.48. And it also has matching sweatpants for $18.98.
This is a whole outfit.
Snoopy.
Are the Snoopy pants?
Snoopy pants. So these shorts, they actually have a matching top somewhere. I don't see them here. I see the pink matching top. But these, I've been seeing in a lot of TikToks and other people's vlogs that they're showing for $1 at their store. At my store, it's showing for $8, even though it says $13. So check your store. They might be $1 at your store. I also see all of these like comfy shorts that were for summer that are $5. They've got this print as well. Now I love a good sun and a moon shirt. This is new from No Boundaries, and that is $6.98. It's pretty cheap. And then you could take it into fall with like a kimono or a cardigan. You guys, tell me why they already have vests out and it's still summer for $29.98 by Time and True. There's a black one. It's got this like Sherpa line. Ooh, that's actually really soft. We've got this dark green one, which I love the dark green. We have a ivory one here and a silver one. This is gonna be a no for me. This looks like a spacesuit.
I love spacesuits.
Oh no. New band t-shirts from Time and True, the Rolling Stones, and Def Leppard. So they always have these boxy tees by Time and True for $9.98, but I just noticed a new color. So they've got this orange pumpkin-y color. I think we've seen the rest before. Green stripe, navy blue stripe. It's like a pink over there and a white. I'm going to show you guys over in the men's section because I love their graphic tees. Our store doesn't have that many. Some stores have like an entire wall of these graphic tees. They're normally $8.98. Right now they're on clearance for $5.50 at my store. But again, I've seen on a lot of TikToks and other people's videos, shop with me videos, that these are coming up for $1 or $2, the men's screen tees. So definitely check your store if you are obsessed with graphic tees like me. And I guess these are brand new ones, so these are $8.98. But the ones that have been out for a while, there used to be a Nirvana one. I guess they're sold out. They got Purple Rain, Cobra Kai, Kiss, Mickey Mouse, Super Mario, Yoda, and some of these like anime ones. Need any pajamas? The muumuus, my favorite muumuus. Some styles are on sale for $5, down from $6.98. It's just like a $2 discount, but still, you need any? Those are cute. Got some sets for $12.98. Want to prepare yourself for fall and winter. These are pant sets, and these particular ones by Secret Treasures are super soft. I love them. I'm literally so sad that I don't have shopping money today. I'm simply window shopping for you guys because they just came out with a new set of these. These are the shorts, and this is the one I was just telling you is super comfortable and really nice, and people rave about these by Secret Treasures. These are $16.98, and this is a brand new print. It's strawberries. How freaking cute is that? There's also this pant one, and these are like little diamonds. And they've got another pant one with roses. And then this one is also new, I believe. And those are shorts. It's like a big, loud floral. Here's another set that's on sale. I know it's like a summery print, but it comes with pants. And this pajama set by Secret Treasures is actually coming up for $8. Where did the tag go? Oh, there it is. $8, and it was $12.98. Also, these really cute biker short sets that are like comfy lounge sets by Secret Treasures are coming up for $13. And they were originally $17.98.